I'm here today at our Voth Tillsonburg location, just south of London, Ontario, introducing our newest upfit and our newest brand, our Tradesman Gullwing Toolboxes for pickup trucks. So our feature today, and newest member to the family, Tradesman Toolboxes and liquid tanks for pickup truck applications in North America. Why does this matter today? Well, this is a big event for Drive Products, 8 months in the making. We are in of all places manufacturing these toolboxes, made in America in Winters, Texas. So in particular, this is our 70-inch crossbed aluminum toolbox with weatherproof gaskets to keep out all the dirt and moisture. This toolbox can be used in a variety of applications. We love it for just about any vocation out there, landscaping, contractor, plumbing, etc. This toolbox is multi-purpose, can be used by a variety of contractors. So as you may have noticed, this upfit was completed on a Ford F-350. Yes, we manufacture this in Texas. Yes, made in America, but also available through our Drive Products upfitting centers in Canada and soon to be in the United States in both Wisconsin and Texas.